Hello YouTube and welcome back. We're here at my shop and I've looked around and I haven't found a real good video showing how to do the drip rail on these Chevrolet trucks. This is a 55, this is a 59, this one's already done. Now this is a technique that I found to work really well. I'm leaving these tabs up and open so that before it dries, you got to pull all the tape completely off so that you're left with a clean line. Okay? It goes all the way to there. The product I'm using today comes very highly recommended, and it's called 3M urethane seam sealer. So it's flexible while you're working with it. You can read this stuff, online. Just look it up. Comes out black, and it's about what I paid, about almost $40 for it. It's worth it. It's going on your roof. You need to be protected, and these seams aren't completely sealed, as you can see. I did scratch all the debris out of them. I cleaned it, I scuffed it. I used prep all just before to make sure it's all decontaminated. And now I'm going to put this in the caulking gun and get to work. It has about a, 10-minute working time. So the technique that I used was the middle finger technique. Get the pad of your finger and run it 90 degrees to the surface, to this edge right here. And you're just gonna slide your finger, use the same finger the whole time. If it gets loaded up, you wipe it on the shirt with kerosene, and then you keep going all the way down. So you get a nice, smooth, even finish throughout. Now I'm going to pull the tape off and show you guys the result. Here's a preliminary result. The step I'm going to take now is load up this rag with kerosene, come back and just wipe the minor hiccups that may have occurred, which are pretty much that first one I showed you. The rest is just smooth. This dries in 30 minutes and you're done.